Welcome to Good Wheels, a family-owned and operated dealership serving the South Jersey area since 1988. We have what you are looking for.
Check out this pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 94,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control and anti-lock brakes. Call us today at 881-3557 to set up a time to look at this vehicle.